Welcome to Online Education 360. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to connect to Excel file easily. This is an Excel file which is called demo sheet, and here is I have another Excel file whose name is salary data. Today we will discuss how to connect these two files. If I have a big data like this, name, gender, marital status, ID number, bonus, total, if I want to add salary from another sheet like the salary data, and if I change data here, suppose here is $500, if I change 200, then the data automatically updated in this sheet. So what is the procedure to connect two sheets easily? So let's begin the topic. If you are a new viewer in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell button for more videos. You can say I can copy the data from here easily and paste into those cells. But if I update data here, then the data will not automatically updated in these cells. So now I have to go data tab and go to get data from file from Excel workbook. I have to find the folder where my salary data is located. So I am selecting the desktop and going to daily data folder and selecting the salary data Excel workbook and import it and select the sheet on, because that workbook I have only one sheet. So I am clicking on load, and you will see here is a new sheet has been created where the salary data is added. I am closing this window and going to my actual workbook where I was working. To get the data, I am starting with equal and select this cell and clicking enter. If I fill handle, you will see the data has been added from this sheet. Now I am selecting all the cells and going to format cells and going to currency and symbol is dollar and click on OK. Now if I change any data from this sheet, look, salary data, here I am writing 100 and click on save and closing this workbook. Now if I go to these sheets and if I click right button and click refresh, you will see the data has been changed, and if I go this sheet, you will see the data has been changed. So this is the actual benefits of connecting two Excel files. If I again go this workbook and click on this, after opening the workbook, if I write 500, click on save and closing the workbook, and if I go the demo sheet and click refresh, you will see the data has been updated, and if I go sheet 6, you will see the salary has been updated. So this is the benefits of connecting two sheets. If I change a data from one sheet, it will update it automatically another sheet. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you like this tutorial, please share this tutorial with your friends and family and do subscribe.